What's up guys, me JimmyaGeek. So here the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 5G. So I wanna test the loudspeaker. How loud are the loudspeaker? Let me play some music to test it. For example, like something like, okay, let me just type something like this one. But I wanna go into my favorite app which I use, the Audify music player. I wanna test the speaker here. Let me just play something from here. So it's work amazingly good, to be honest with you. So the loudspeaker are quite good, to be honest with you. So yeah, the loudspeaker are quite good. It was me, JimmyaGeek. Subscribe and bye.